Good morning, students. We have already discussed chapter number 13 in our class. Chapter number 13, that is fun with magnets. Okay, here is a quick review of that chapter. Okay, first of all, we have done in this chapter that how the magnet is discovered. It is discovered by a shepherd. That one day the shepherd named Magnus was herding his sheep and he felt tired. Okay, जब वो एक स्टोन के ऊपर बैठ गया तो जब वो उठने लगा स्टोन से तो उसने देखा कि उसे उठा ही नहीं जा रहा है. ठीक है, क्योंकि उसके पास स्टिक थी, उसमें एक नेल लगी हुई थी और वो जो नेल थी और उसके शूज़ में जो नेल थी वो स्टिक कर गए उस स्टोन के साथ. तो वो क्या था, एक नेचुरल मैग्नेट था. सो इन दिस वे द मैग्नेट इज डिस्कवर्ड. सो बेस्ड ऑन द नेम ऑफ दैट शेफर्ड दैट स्टोन वाज गिवन द नेम मैग्नेटाइट. ओके, मैग्नेटाइट किससे बना होता है? आयरन ऑक्साइड से. ओके, वी कैन से लोडस्टोन ऑल्सो. नेचुरल मैग्नेट इज लोडस्टोन ऑल्सो. व्हाई इट इज लोडस्टोन? It means leading stone because it was used for leading or directing people. After that, in that chapter we have covered that what are magnets. So magnet क्या होता है? Any material that has the property of attracting iron is called a magnet. The material that are attracted by magnet are called magnetic material and that are not attracted by magnets are called non-magnetic material. Okay, after that in this chapter we have done about different shapes of magnet. Magnet has different shapes. Number one, you can say here, see here, a bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, this is a ring magnet or we can say a circular magnet, and this is a cylinder magnet. Okay, and magnets are artificial और नेचुरल. ओके, जो आर्टिफिशियल मैग्नेट होते हैं वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं. ओके, द मैग्नेट विच वी सी इन आवर डेली लाइफ आर एक्चुअली आर्टिफिशियल मैग्नेट्स. ए मैग्नेट विच इज मेड आर्टिफिशियली यूजिंग आयरन कोबाल्ट एंड हैज़ हाई मैग्नेटिक पावर is called an artificial magnet. Okay, and these are artificial magnet. And magnetite, as we have already discussed, magnetite is a natural magnet. This type of magnet, the natural magnet, are weak. Okay, they are weak because they have weak magnetic force. Okay, they cannot be used for any useful purposes. Okay, after that now we will study about properties of magnet. As you can see here, if a magnet is suspended freely by thread, अगर हम एक मैग्नेट को एक धागे के साथ बांध कर सस्पेंड करें किसी सपोर्ट के साथ, then we will see it always align itself in north south direction. This property of magnet is called directional property. Okay, and a magnet has two poles, north and south. Okay, and जो like pole होते हैं, मतलब जो north होता है, they repel each other. repel मतलब दूर करते हैं एक दूसरे को. and the north and south, they जो opposite poles होते हैं या we can say unlike poles attract each other. Okay, so second property is like pole repel, unlike pole attract each other. Okay, third property is that जो poles होते हैं मैग्नेट के, they are always exist in pair. They cannot be separated. If we break or cut a magnet into two pieces, we will get two magnets. Okay, each having north and south pole. If we further cut these two magnets, then we will get four magnets, each having north and south pole. So we cannot separate the poles of a magnet. Each magnet has two poles, north and south. Poles always exist in pair, they cannot be separated. Okay, and the next property is that जो poles होते हैं मैग्नेट के, ओके, जो मैग्नेट के एज होते हैं, जो वी कैन से देम पोल्स, जो मैग्नेटिक फोर्स होता है इट इज स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट एट द पोल्स. ओके, यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो हॉर्स शू मैग्नेट है और आयरन नेल्स सारी उसके पोल्स पे स्टिक कर रखी है ना. तो दिस शोज दैट मैग्नेटिक फोर्स इज स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट एट द पोल्स. ओके, वी कैन डू दिस बाय एन एक्टिविटी. टेक ए मैग्नेट and take some iron fillings on a paper, then roll this magnet. We will see all the iron filling will stick at the poles. This shows that magnetic force is strongest at the poles. So we have done different properties of magnet. Number one, directional property. What it is? That if we suspend a magnet with the help of a thread, it always align itself in north and south direction. Second is, we cannot separate the poles of the magnet. Okay, each magnet has two poles, north and south. And third is, magnet attract iron object. And fourth is, like poles repel each other, unlike pole attract each other. Okay, after that, here you can see it is an instrument that is known as magnetic compass. Okay, it is known as magnetic compass. So what it is an instrument that is used to find the direction. Okay, इसके अंदर आप देख रहे हैं एक निडल है, दैट इज ए मैग्नेटिक निडल. ओके, और इसको इस तरह से लगा रखा है इसमें कि ये फ्रीली घूम सकती है. ओके, सो एज वी हैव स्टडीड दैट इफ वी सस्पेंड ए मैग्नेट it always shows north and south direction. So this needle always shows north and south direction. Okay, and this is known as magnetic compass. It is used by sailors to find the direction. Okay, thank you.